I really enjoy what I do. I really enjoy research. I really enjoy looking into topics that answer research questions that affect our lives, that affect society. And yes, as someone who's curious about these things and seeking answers, every day I think, well, this is fascinating and I enjoy what I do. So of course, there are a lot of things that are covered in class and a lot of things that we teach. But in addition to that, bringing in your own research and your own experience, and not only research experience, but also other experience into the classroom can greatly help enhance the student experience. Students often find that very interesting. They ask questions, and it makes them more involved and more likely to ask questions about it. So, bringing in your own research, and same thing with colleagues, bringing in their own research to the classroom is something that students enjoy a lot and they find very rewarding. Healthcare is an area that's expanding, a sector that's growing, and the challenges are constant. Just a few years ago, we had a massive pandemic that brought in new challenges, and that added to the existing challenges in the field of healthcare. So there's a lot of opportunities out there, that a lot of things that we can do to improve people's health and increase efficiency and help build a healthier society, which is beneficial for everyone. So there are a lot of challenges and a lot of things that can be done. If we encourage people and we help people follow healthier lifestyles, then not only do we manage to save a lot of money for the NHS that we can invest and spend elsewhere in healthcare, but also help people not become ill in the first place, which is of course something that they want to avoid anyway. Now, there are a lot of opportunities as well. We can use modern technologies, we can use AI to increase efficiency in healthcare, we can use digital health. There are so many opportunities, and we must make that transition as soon as possible. So there are a lot of challenges, but there are also new tools available that we must take advantage of and can definitely help build a healthier society. At the same time, it's important to know what causes various diseases, and we know that socioeconomic factors play a very, very important role. So targeting things in society and reducing things like inequalities can also help have better health. Healthcare and improving health is not just about cure, it's not just about treatment of a disease. It has to do a lot with society, has to do with other interventions elsewhere, which play a very important role in improving people's health and improving people's lives. Health is a very particular sector, which has a lot of, let's say, peculiarities. So a lot of things that do not happen in other markets happen in healthcare markets for a number of reasons, because we have third-party payers, because we have adverse selection, we have moral hazard, we have the fact that, well, you can't really buy health, you buy healthcare. It's very important to train people, not just in general, to have general skills, but also skills that are applicable, particularly to healthcare. So doing an EMBA in health in particular can really help combine the skills that apply to management and business in general with the skills that are very particular to a very specific sector, such as healthcare. And indeed, we are a global business school for health. We are actually the first business school for health in the world. So the program equips students both with general management and business skills, but also skills that are applicable directly to healthcare. They have 2 projects during their study, so they have the opportunity to apply these skills to those 2 projects. They have a global health project and a health consultancy project. So that's an excellent opportunity to apply the knowledge that they learnt during their studies. We also have 2 in-person weeks during the program. Of course, the program is a 2-year online program where people can follow flexibly from wherever they live and without having to stop working. But we have 1 week in person in year 1 and another week in person in year 2, where they have the opportunity to visit lots of organizations. Of course, we have enrichment activities throughout the program where people come in and talk about their experience, talk about their businesses, talk about applying this knowledge to the real world. At the same time, we offer careers advice and coaching. It's an excellent opportunity to learn flexibly. It's an excellent opportunity to be able to study without interrupting your career, while you're working at the same time, and study at one of the top universities in the world in an area where particularly UCL is very, very strong anyway.